Tennessee Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope your holiday weekend is off to a great start and you're able to take maybe a little bit of a break from the hustle and bustle to enjoy the fantastic weather we had today. Lots of sunshine, very pleasant temperatures in the upper 60s. Felt more like spring than almost Christmas time here in Acadiana. And that's going to continue to be the theme the next couple of days as we have another warm day with lots of sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Slight cool down for Christmas Eve, but then back to near 70 degrees with clouds starting to return by Christmas afternoon. Taking a look across the big picture, not a whole lot going on. So most of us are dealing with very pleasant weather. So anyone trying to do some traveling on this holiday weekend, no real issues. Lots of the airports are running on time, but we do have this little bit of rain and snow on the backside moving through the Great Plains, now pushing through Kansas down into Oklahoma. That's going to slide down into the Tennessee Valley, draping a cold front across our region through the overnight and into early Sunday morning, which could bring us a stray drizzle, but more or less just going to help to continue to increase some of this cloud cover with that subtropical jet. And that's what we've been seeing this evening as we're starting to see some of those mid-level clouds work their way in across Acadiana. You can see it's kind of blocking out some of those city lights and even blocking out the moon a little bit this evening. The clouds are also helping to prevent temperatures from dropping too much. As you can see, we've been sitting at 59 degrees for the last several hours thanks to those clouds and those winds out of the south still up around 7 miles per hour, helping to pull that moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. As you can see, dew points are now up to 56. So temperatures will not be able to fall a whole lot through the overnight. So we should be about 20 degrees warmer through the overnight than we were as we started off this morning in the upper 30s. So a big little mild start to our Sunday. There's that front working through, maybe producing that light drizzle around 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. So if you're out and about early tomorrow, might have to contend with that, but it's not going to be much. Barely going to have to turn the windshield wipers on. Front moves out to the east and down to the south by the afternoon. Sunshine begins to return across the area with very comfortable temperatures again, upper 60s to near 70 degrees. High pressure builds in for Christmas Eve, so a very cool start to our day on Monday. Temperatures fall down into the low 40s, maybe some upper 30s across northern portions with clear skies and that northerly flow beginning to take over behind the front. As that high slides off to the east, we get a little bit of a mild trend with lots of sunshine Christmas Eve afternoon. Temperatures back to where we should be for this time of year in the low 60s. Heading into Christmas Day, that high slides off to the east. We start to get some of that moisture coming off the Gulf, so clouds start to begin around even in the morning and continue to thicken during the afternoon with maybe a stray shower. Very mild temperatures as we get back to near 70 degrees. So here's your holiday forecast for the next few days. Not looking too bad. Lots of sunshine. We're staying dry. Temperatures anywhere from the low 70s, maybe a little cooler Christmas Eve, but still very comfortable, right around 64 degrees before the clouds start to return by Christmas Day. You see the clouds come Tuesday. Most of the day is dry, but I won't rule out a stray shower during the afternoon for Christmas. Then as you maybe start to do some traveling, returning home after the holidays, that's when things start to get dicey. We don't have too many problems on the roadways Wednesday morning, but by the afternoon, you start to see that moisture lifting off the Gulf. So scattered showers begin to return by about Wednesday afternoon, mainly on the light side. This is with a warm front that will be lifting up across the region, but you can see scattered showers continue with us all the way into Wednesday evening. Also starting to see some yellow, so some more moderate showers beginning to develop, pushing through into early Thursday morning. Then Thursday afternoon, the main front finally makes its way through. This is the GFS. It's a little faster, pushes that front through, so rain might be ending, give us a little bit of a break Thursday evening, but then some showers return by Friday morning before finally clearing out Friday afternoon. So how much rain are we looking at for the second half of the week? You can see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches according to the GFS model, but it does have some of those higher amounts off to the east. Wouldn't be surprised if we see some of that here, so I'll go to the 4 inches. Not expecting any flooding concerns, but definitely another good soaking as we head towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But in the meantime, not looking too bad. A mild night, clouds increasing with that stray shower possible, 57 for the overnight low. And then for your Sunday, after maybe a morning drizzle, lots of afternoon sunshine, 70 degrees for that afternoon high, so another warm day as you're out and about trying to get some of that last-minute holiday shopping done. Christmas Eve looks nice and dry. Clouds return with a slight chance on Christmas Day, but warm in the 70s. With the chance for showers Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures again mild in the 70s as well. Could have a few thunderstorms on Thursday with that possibility for 2 to 4 inches of rain. Might get a break Friday afternoon into the first half of Saturday before our next system arrives late Saturday into Sunday. So it kind of gets back into that wet, dreary pattern as we end out the month of December.
So we might have a rainy Christmas?
I think Christmas stays dry, but right after that we get back into the rainy pattern.
All right, thank you, Eric.